Welcome back to the Ragu Guru. Today we're going to be doing a Christmas ham. Simple Christmas dinner. We have sweet potatoes, Brussels sprouts with black beans and feta cheese. And then we're going to be dressing our ham with cloves, cherries, molasses, Sichuan peppers. And then we're going to wrap it in bacon and put it in the oven. Okay, people, here we go. First things first, this takes time, but take your whole cloves and stick them into your ham, as many as you can get. And then crush up some of your Sichuan peppers and then rub them into the top. And then you're going to wrap your bacon and stuff some cherries up into the sides until it gets to the point where you're going to pour molasses on the top, put the rest of the cherries on, and then wrap the top with bacon to cover them all up. And then you're going to be wrapping that up with parchment paper. And then throw it into the oven at 325 for 4 hours. Yeah. And then you stab your sweet potatoes, stick them in next to the ham for 2 hours. And then after that, you're going to be putting your casserole together of black beans, Brussels sprouts, and then feta cheese on top, and then you're going to put that in for the last hour. Yum, yum, yum. And with everything already done, you can clean off the ham, slice it all up into some beautiful pieces. My, did this cut very nicely. And then plate yourself up a slice, throw a sweet potato on there, scoop in some of those beautiful beans and Brussels sprouts, and then, of course, gravy to top it all off with, and voila, absolutely perfect Christmas dinner. Remember, people, it's Christmas time, so please treat yourself good, as well as your neighbors and everyone else. Okay, people, Merry Christmas and a happy holiday season. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.